Well, you guys are going to know where I'm fishing. Kind of hard to hide this spot. Ooh. I hope this is a Waldo. Nah, pike. Looks like he's got an old, somebody else's hook in his mouth besides mine. So let's see if I can get him in without donating. See, he's got that other old jig in there. Somebody else. Here's mine. And we'll get rid of his lip jewelry here. Put him back. There's a whole bunch of fish down here. You can see, got a lot of marks right here. Let's get back down. Yes, I'm still sitting under the bridge. Lots of little walleyes, mostly. That's probably what this is. Yep. Oh, wait a minute. Does that look like a bass? I may have to stick around a little longer. Oh no, walleye just hooked funny. Hooked in the belly button. Then we'll get him off and try again. Yep, next time down. Another eater. So there, I came here because it's really sunny and hot out, and I'm in the shade. That's the main reason I'm sitting here. But I've caught him here before when it's real sunny out like this. Another nice eater, about 15, 16. Throwing a big swim bait. Had 2 bites, missed them both. And the next cast, I got this one, whatever it is. What is it? Big old walleye. A big old swim bait. Look at that porker. Yeah, about time. I caught enough eaters already. We'll get him in and let him go. Look at that beauty. Probably 23. Next cast. Another big one. Sure, it's another bass. They're in here now. Boy, we found them. It's like yesterday. Oh yeah, son. There we go. Oh, there's more of them down there too. I gotta hurry up and get them in. There's more of them down there. I gotta hurry up. Come on, get in here, big girl. Oh, another porker. We'll let her go. Here's the bait. 5-inch swim bait and a 18-inch bass. They're down there. I'm just going to go straight down. Marking them down there. Huh? I guess I'm going to have to throw out. Boy. I moved a little bit. The bass quit biting. Back to bottom feeders. Everybody biting on them big swim baits, so decent walleye, 20 incher maybe. Ooh, there's another one. Getting late in the day. What do we got here? Oh, son, little bass. I thought so. Oh man, there's more under the boat. A whole bunch under the boat. Wow. Look at this. There must be 20 of them down there. Get him up and drop right back down. Oh man, is he strong. Wow. there quick. There is 1,000 of them down there. I'm not even going to put this one back in, just in case he takes all my other ones with him. Wow. Oh. Dang. I'm telling you, there is a bunch of them. I ain't seen it a long time. Quit biting on that big swim bait, so I went to my little fluke of the big bass. There are some guys going, I don't know what they're doing in that boat over there. They keep going fast and slow, fast and slow. And they're not fishing. Well, let me try to get this bass in here. They're using net. I only got 4 pound on here. Yeah, they wised up, I guess. My big old heavy swim bait. More fun on this ultralight anyway. Another big one. Oh. Another 3 pounder. Easy. There's my little fluke. And he made it come loose. I'll have to redo it. Well, this is fish 37, like throwing up in real shallow water, so I took off my jig and put on a X-Wrap. Caught a nice bass on the first cast and a nice walleye on the next cast. Well, the sun is trying to set on me. You're biting. I hate to leave, but I don't want to go home in the dark either. Oh God, it must be a bass fighting too hard to be anything else. Yep. Big old bass. Man, these bass have turned on the last 2 days. Bit twice. I missed them the first time. Oh man, look, you should see the stream. But 5 more followed them in. This is when I had a partner here to keep them interested. Well, I got down there quick enough, I thought, but already gone. Dang it. Dang, I hate to have to quit. Starting to act like something besides a bass. Oh, you know what that noise means. Pike-a-saurus. Oh no, it's a big, great big walleye. Oh son. What a way to end the day. A huge Waldo. Look at that, Parker. Oh my gosh. That might be the biggest one of the day there. Head for the house, I think. Well, maybe we'll dip them up. You don't wanna. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh, son, look at that swine. Oh, oh, you ought to see the screen. Look at the screen. Oh my Lord, and I have to go. Fish all over the place. I gotta get you off. Look at this big boat. 28-incher. Look at that. Into the sun. 28-inch last fish of the day. What a fine day this was.